Marking the tops of both covers. Obviously marking them will just determine so you get the correct orientation when refitting it. I'll just do one dot per side. Now with a 4mm Allen key we'll be removing both ends. Obviously using the flat end to break the bolt and then the ball end to remove. Like so. So all four are now out. So with a bit of luck, the whole end should come out. We've got a bit of a seal in there, a dust seal. And I'll also, like before, reinsert just so we don't lose bolts without threading them. Like so.